Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your hotel business. For example, you have a hotel business in where your clients can view amenities, explore room types and get cancellation policy. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your clients send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your hotel business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of hotel, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Amazing Hotel Business. We are delighted to have you stay with us. Could you please share your full name with us? So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provide it. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this that hi Mehruz Khan, thanks for sharing your name. To keep you updated on special offers, events and more, could you please share your email address? So here I am giving them one test email address. Here I provided. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this that thanks Mehruz Khan for sharing your details with us. Welcome to Amazing Hotel Business. We are excited to assist you further and make your stay with us truly unforgettable. While providing me three options, that is amenities, room types and cancellation. If I'll click on room types, then you can see it will provide me all the details of the room that are available in this amazing hotel. That is deluxe room, suite, family room, accessible room, etc. Now if I'll click on cancellation, then it will provide me the cancellation policy. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your hotel business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our hotel business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. Now I want to write one message for my client, so that whenever they send any message on my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this action option. Take button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as C. Hi there, welcome to Amazing Hotel Business. We are delighted to have you stay with us. Could you please share your full name with us? So for that, I am clicking in the select contact custom field as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your client, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this message. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now after this step, I am going to ask my clients about their email ID. For that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as hi with dollar symbol full name. I use this dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. So for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. In this message, you can see I'll ask my client that to keep you updated on special offers, events or more, could you please share your email address with us? So for that, I am selecting the contact custom field as email. The format I'll select as email. Number of attempt will be 1. If you want to write any message, then you can write in this box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever my clients will provide me both of their details, then I want to give them one message which include with image and some quick buttons. For that I am clicking on this action option. Take button as media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of my hotel. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I upload this image here because it sounds more impactful and interesting towards your clients. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. It is connected. Now I want to write one message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. Now I am giving them some quick buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as amenities. The second button I'll write as room types. And the third button I'll write as cancellation. Here I write it. Now if my clients wants to explore the amenities of my hotel business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about amenities. Here I write it. Now the next one is the room types. If my clients wants to know more details about the room types that are available in my hotel, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm again clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all details about the room types that are available in my hotel. Here I write it. Now the last one is the cancellation. If my clients wants to know about the cancellation policy, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the cancellation policy. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So after the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. So this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your hotel business. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary details of your hotel such as amenities, room types, cancellation policy, etc. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.